Hello, everyone. My name is Jessica Gray. I am entering the final stretches of the program here with UNE. Super excited about that. Getting to graduation stages. In that comes what we know to be that field practice. I am doing my field practice at a agency that encompasses a lot of different services. I actually provide, I'm employed by the company as a substance abuse group facilitator. So I do that. They also have intensive in home services. They have an outpatient program that's specifically for substances. And then they have an outpatient program for just every other mental health disorder. They also have anger management. They have parenting classes. They have a GED course. They have couple counseling, just a whole gamut of things that they do. So a lot of opportunity for me to learn and grow, to do things that are outside of the service that I provide for the agency. So I was able to kind of hit the lotto with that one. And going into the beginning stages of shadowing and learning and growing, there was a bit of transition within the agencies. So it took a little bit to try to figure out what and how I was going to fit in, and to make sure that I was clearly removed from what it is that I do day to day to be doing something very different. So they settled in on me doing some work with the outpatient therapist there and being able to do it with a couple of different folks. And I thought that that was a good idea for me to see different styles of what folks are able to do. I want to say that Miss Whitney said something in her video about being able to see different styles of what people are doing and noticing what I might have keyed in on versus what someone else does. Everyone views their clients through the lens of how they live and what they have experienced and what their culture is and what they know about. So it was kind of really good to get to see what other people would think would be important to elaborate on, just the way that my group mate said in her video. So I was excited to be able to sit with more than one individual. I thought that was a really good idea that they allowed me to participate in. They would like for me to do some in-home work with children. I've done in-home counseling before, when I lived in Virginia. I currently live in North Carolina, but I was living in Virginia last year, and that was what I was doing. And in-home is a really good way to learn a different style of talking to folks, building rapport, working with children. It kind of makes you flexible. It helps you to gain the skills that you need, especially listening skills. So I'm excited to be able to expound on that more, because you can never have too many listening skills. I prefer to work with adults, but I do understand the importance of being able to do both. And even when you are doing in home, there are family sessions, so you're able to sit with the parents and do some things with them too. So that's going to be good for me as well. I'm excited about that and learning how to do that. What I would like to get out of this experience is just to be able to learn how to perfect the things that I do. I have been working in mental health for just about a decade. Prior to getting my bachelor's, I started out doing some things, and then I got the bachelor's degree. Still kind of was working in the field, and now that I'm working on my master's, I'm still working in the field. So I work with all different communities. So I just really want to build on my skills and be able to find my niche. That's really what I'm looking for. And now, what is my style of therapy? What is it that I'm going to bring? What are my strong points? And what sorts of things do I need to build a network of individuals who are better at that than me? What sort of things do I need to be looking out for that I can refer people to, because it's not something that I want to provide or something that I'm good at. So I'm really looking forward to learning about how I fit into certain circles, what I can provide, what my niche is, and learning from the people around me. I'm super excited to be learning with you all. Can't wait to see where we go and how many things that you're able to bring to the table that are new and different to me, and what I might be able to bring to you all. So looking forward to a successful semester, some good stories, some good information. I will be providing my feedback to you all's videos very, very soon. Thank you for taking the time to listen to mine.